Thinking about diving into crypto in Canada? Maybe you're already in the game but wondering if you're on the right platform. You've heard the names Newton, Coinbase. Both are huge players, especially here in Canada. But when it comes down to it, which one is truly better for your crypto journey? That's the question we're tackling today. We're not just going to scratch the surface, we're doing a deep dive into Newton and Coinbase Canada in 2025. We'll be looking at everything from fees and features to security, available coins, and user experience. By the end of this, you'll have a clear picture of which exchange aligns best with your crypto goals. So, let's get into it. Understanding the landscape, Newton and Coinbase in Canada. Before we dissect each platform, it's crucial to understand their positions in the Canadian crypto market. Both Newton and Coinbase have carved out significant niches, but they approach the user experience from slightly different angles. Newton, which recently rebranded as AB, though many still refer to it as Newton, has positioned itself as a Canadian-first exchange. Its focus has traditionally been on simplicity, low costs, and a smooth experience for Canadian users. They've emphasized being compliant with Canadian regulations and making crypto accessible. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a global behemoth. It's one of the largest and most well-known crypto exchanges worldwide. Their presence in Canada brings with it a vast array of features, a massive user base, and a reputation for security and a broad selection of assets. However, being a global player can sometimes mean their Canadian-specific offerings aren't as tailored as a domestic exchange. The year 2025 has brought some interesting updates to both platforms, so we'll be factoring those in as well. Fees, the cost of doing business. Let's be honest, fees can eat into your profits. This is often the first thing people look at when choosing an exchange. Newton, AB, and fees. Newton has long prided itself on being a no-fee exchange, but that comes with a nuance. While they don't charge explicit trading commissions, they make their money through the spread. The spread is the difference between the bid price, what buyers are willing to pay, and the ask price, what sellers are willing to accept. Newton incorporates its fee into this spread. In 2025, Newton continues this model. The exact spread can vary depending on market conditions and the specific cryptocurrency, but typically it falls within a range of 0.5% to 1%. This means that when you buy or sell crypto on Newton, the price you see already includes their cut. One of Newton's significant advantages remains its fee-free deposits and withdrawals for CAD via Interac e-transfer. This is a huge plus for Canadian users, as it eliminates a common pain point found on other platforms. They may cover up to $5 in network fees when you withdraw crypto, which is a nice touch. Coinbase Canada and fees. Coinbase fee structure is generally more transparent but also, at times, more complex. They use a maker-taker fee model, especially for their advanced trading platform, Coinbase Advanced, formerly Coinbase Pro. For basic spot trades, Coinbase charges a spread fee, similar to Newton. This can also fluctuate. However, when you move to Coinbase Advanced, you'll encounter maker and taker fees based on your 30-day trading volume. In 2025, taker fees typically range from 0.05% to 0.60%, and maker fees from 0.00% to 0.40%. The higher your trading volume, the lower these percentages become. When it comes to funding and withdrawals, Coinbase Canada has varying fees. ACH deposits are free, but wire transfers for USD can incur a $10 deposit fee and a $25 withdrawal fee. For Canadians, SEPA, Euro, deposits are 15 cents, and SWIFT, GBP, are free deposits with a £1 withdrawal fee. While they aim to make fiat deposits and withdrawals accessible, the specific methods and associated costs can be a bit more varied than Newton's straightforward Interac e-transfer. Fee verdict. If simplicity and minimizing explicit deposit/withdrawal fees for CAD are your top priority, Newton holds an edge with its free Interac e-transfers and an all-inclusive spread. However, for high-volume traders, Coinbase Advanced's maker-taker model can offer significantly lower trading fees once you reach higher tiers. For casual users, the difference in total cost might be negligible, but Newton's no-fee perception is appealing. Available cryptocurrencies, your digital playground. The variety of cryptocurrencies offered can be a major deciding factor, especially for those looking beyond just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Newton, AB, and asset selection. Newton has significantly expanded its offerings over the years. In 2025, they boast support for over 70 cryptocurrencies. This is a robust selection for a Canadian-focused exchange and includes many popular altcoins, DeFi tokens, and even some newer projects. Their commitment to adding new assets regularly keeps them competitive. Coinbase Canada and asset selection. Coinbase, being a global exchange, typically offers a much broader selection of cryptocurrencies. In 2025, Coinbase offers access to over 150 tradable cryptocurrencies, with plans to introduce even more. This includes a vast array of tokens, stablecoins, and often features new projects shortly after their launch. If you're looking for a very diverse portfolio or specific, lesser-known altcoins, Coinbase is likely to have them. Asset selection verdict. For sheer breadth of choice, Coinbase is the clear winner. If you're an altcoin enthusiast or looking to invest in a wide variety of digital assets, Coinbase offers a far more expansive playground. However, Newton's 70-plus assets are more than sufficient for most Canadian investors, covering all the major players and many popular altcoins. User experience, navigating the crypto waters. How easy is it to use these platforms? This is crucial for both beginners and experienced traders. Newton, AB, user experience. Newton is renowned for its clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly interface. Both their web platform and mobile app are designed with simplicity in mind. Buying and selling is straightforward, and the overall navigation is uncluttered. They prioritize a seamless experience for getting Canadian dollars into crypto and back out again. Users often praise Newton for its smooth user interface and easy on-ramp for new users. Coinbase Canada user experience. Coinbase also offers a highly user-friendly interface, particularly on its standard platform. It's designed to be accessible for beginners, with clear buy, sell, and send options. Their mobile app is also highly rated for ease of use. However, when you delve into Coinbase Advanced, the interface becomes more complex, offering advanced charting tools, powered by TradingView, order books, and various order types, limit, market, stop limit, bracket orders. While this is excellent for experienced traders, it can be overwhelming for newcomers. User experience verdict. For absolute beginners and those who value simplicity above all else, Newton might feel slightly more approachable due to its consistent focus on an easy-to-use platform across the board. However, Coinbase offers a fantastic experience for beginners on its standard platform and then provides powerful, advanced tools for more seasoned traders on Coinbase Advanced. So, it really depends on your experience level and what features you prioritize. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.